Hey, what is happening? It's been a minute since I shared a video of the boat that I picked up. It's been quite a few, 6 months ago, maybe 8 months ago now. It's been a while ago. Did some restoring to it. I'm not completely done with it yet, but I just wanted to put up a video to show you guys what progress I've made so far and what I've done to the boat. Starting here in the front, got the motor guide mounted on there. I had the mount on there before, I believe last time. Put the power adapter right here so I can plug that in. Built this console, raised this up here. I've got a floor, I got a little compartment right there that I have my battery in. I can put a few other things in. Raised this all up, had some leftover carpet. I put over top of it, put some of these trim pieces on to kind of make it look a little bit fancier. Went with the cheaper pedestal mount. I'll probably end up switching that. Definitely need to get a different seat. These seats come with the boat and they're pretty much wore out, but works for now. Just actually put these on a couple Smackdown rod holders for catfishing or obviously crappie fishing, whatever. I can put the poles in, just have them come straight out. Have the light scope on this side as well. I went with the Summit stick. If you guys have seen these Summit fishing right here. Pretty cool setup. What's nice about this one is you can see actually how short it is. It goes all the way down to 2 foot, so I can use this on my kayak, and then I can also just simply quick release these down and then lock that in. Now I'm good to go for the boat, so I don't have to buy 2 setups. And I've actually made this, I'll show this in another video. I got a tow here. I got this made to where I can just simply pull it off of here, this 3-inch track that this rides in. I can take this right off and put it right on the kayak, but we'll do another video about that another day. Got the 1.5-inch ball mount here, saving a few bucks. I'd love to have a separate setup there, but what I do is I've got my Garmin SV93 here. I just loosen this up. Got the wires right here. I take it around and then just quickly put it right here on the mount when I'm sitting out front here fishing. I did pick up a different transducer, so that's the only thing I have to do when I switch to my kayak is I just undo the transducer cord, leave the transducer here. I've got another transducer on my kayak, and I just screw that in, and then I'm good to go. So yeah, there's the front carpet, not too bad. Live scope, trolling motor with spot lock on the front. Here in the back, I fancied it up a little bit with some diamond plate across the front. I still need to paint that compartment lid there. Looks a little rough still, but yeah, I think the diamond plate definitely made a difference. These 2 seats here actually look brand new, but I didn't buy them. They come with the boat. They were actually the nicest things that were on the boat when I got it, so they work out nice. Did buy some new pedestals for them to go on. Mounted those down here, but the big thing is this composite flooring that I put in. I redecked it all with the composite flooring. It's going to be easy to clean, never rot. It's that plastic, basically decking, composite decking I should say, but that's really going to make a big difference, having that in there for long term. Then same thing in the back, just stuck another seat there with the cheaper pedestal. I left it out far enough because my plan is to hopefully do some catfish tournaments. I'm going to put a tank back here, live well, that I'm going to build. That'll probably be on another video as well, but I left it far enough out that I'll actually pull that out when I'm not using it, but this floor piece right here won't be in the way that way. So yeah, that's about it for right now. I still got to figure out, I'm thinking, originally I was going to paint it a different color, but I'm liking the blue. I don't know, it's growing on me. So I'm thinking maybe blue and light gray, or just go with the white down the sides, but still need to pull the trailer out. I'm waiting for a warm day, pull it outside, pull the boat off, get it painted up. But for right now, I'm ready to start fishing. I've been out in it once already, caught about 40 or so crappie. So yeah, it's starting to get that time of year where we can get out and start catching quite a few fish. So I appreciate you watching, and hopefully I can get some more videos up here of doing the rest of the restoration, as well as showing you guys my setup here to swap this over to the kayak. All right, we'll see you. Have a good one.